Good morning, student. I am going to teach you class 3rd science, chapter 4, part 3, feet and claws. The size of a shape of the feet and claws of bird differ greatly. The claws of a bird help it to walk, swing, and climb. Let us learn more about the feet and claws of different birds. Perching birds, sparrow, manas, and crows sit on tree and wire by gripping the branch of wire. This is called perching. They use the front toes like we use our fingers. The back toe is used like our thumb. Climbing birds. Birds like woodpecker use their toes to climb trees. Their feet have two toes that point forward and two toes that point backward. This helps them to hold on the tree while climbing. Flat-sitting birds. Birds of prey like eagle, vulture, and hawk have strong and sharp claws called taloni. These help them to catch live prey like toads, rats, and small birds. Scratching birds. Birds like hens and rooster have strong legs with three toes in front and one toe at back. These toes have sharp and hard claws to help them to scratch the ground for insects and worms. Wading birds. Birds like herons and crane have long legs with separate out toes. The separate out toes prevent the birds from sinking into the mud in a pond. These help them to walk through water in search of food. This movement is called wading. Swimming birds. Birds like duck and goose have webbed feet. They have three toes in front and one toe at the back. The three front toes are joined by skin which is called web. This, this skin helps them to push water back while swimming. Nesting. Birds build nests to lay eggs. They choose places which are safe from enemies and bad weather. These are twigs, grass. They use twigs, grass, feathers, cotton, wool, leaves, and sometimes even mud to build their nest. Different birds make different kinds of nest. A woodpecker makes a hole in a tree with its beak. The hole is used as a nest. The eagle and the vulture make nest by gathering a few sticks and simply puts them together in shape of a shallow cup. The weaver bird uses grass, twigs, and leaves to weave a nest with its beak. There are opening at the bottom and the nest for the bird to enter. A teller bird which two birds leaves together to make its nest. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to sew the leaves and cotton here are wool. Kingfisher, sulduck, and sand martin dig long tunnels and then deposit their eggs in them. Pigeons and sparrows build their nest on window edges, ventilator, and even on ceiling fans with leaves, dry grass, and wings. Penguins make their nest on the ground with a few stones or pebbles. Some interesting fact about birds. The largest egg of a bird was laid by an ostrich. The smallest egg was laid by hummingbirds. The egg of a hummingbird is the size of a pea. Birds make sound of communicated with each other. The penguin is the only bird that walks straight. Hens and peacock can fly only a short distance. There are songbirds that eat insects which harm plants and trees. In addition, they also eat fruits, not seeds. Birds lay their eggs in nests well on one of the parents sits on the eggs to warm them. The other parents protect them from enemies. After a few days, young birds come out of the egg. This is called hatching. The parent bird feeds the young birds and look after them.